Good morning. இன்னைக்கு வந்து நம்ம 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் miscellaneous practice problem exercise 3.2 பார்க்க போகிறோம். A shopkeeper buys 3 articles for rupees 325, rupees 450 and 510. He is able to sell them for rupees 350, 425 and 525 respectively. ரெஸ்பெக்டிவ்லினா என்னதுன்னா யூ ஹாவ் டு டேக் இட் இன் தட் ஆர்டர். ஃபஸ்ட்டுக்கு ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன், செகண்டுக்கு செகண்ட் ஒன், அந்த மாதிரி. ஃபைண்ட் த கெயின் ஆர் லாஸ் டு த ஷாப்கீப்பர் ஆன் த ஹோல். இப்போ இந்த 3 ஆர்டிகல்ஸையும் விற்கிறதுல கெயினாக லாஸானு நம்ம ஃபைன் பண்ணணும். இப்போ சிபி ஆஃப் 3 ஆர்டிகல்ஸ், ஆட் ஆல் தி சிபி ஆஃப் 3 ஆர்டிகல்ஸ், யூ வில் கெட் 1285. ஆட் ஆல் திஸ் எஸ்பி ஆஃப் த 3 ஆர்டிகல்ஸ், will get 1300. Here SP is greater than CP. அப்படின்னா என்னது? ப்ராஃபிட். Profit, how to find the profit? SP minus CP. Apply that formula and find the profit. 1300 minus 1285 is 15 rupees. So the shopkeeper gained rupees 15. A stationery shop owner bought a scientific calculator for rupees 750. He had put a battery worth rupees 100 in it. He had spent rupees 50 for its outer pouch. He was able to sell it for rupees 850. Find his profit or loss. Now in this CP we have to add all the overhead expenses. Like what is the overhead expenses here? Rupees 100 for battery and outer pouch for 50. These two are called overhead expenses. So CP is equal to 750 plus 100 plus 50, that is 900. Totally now our CP is 900. SP is given as 850. So here SP is less than CP, that is 900 is less than the 850. Loss is equal to 900 minus 850. So 50 rupees loss here. Nathan paid rupees 800 and bought 10 bottles of honey from a village vendor. He sold them in a city for rupees 100 per bottle. Find his profit or loss. Now CP of 10 bottles of honey is rupees 800. 10 bottles of honey, 800 means how to find one bottle. Given more asked, one means you have to divide it. So 800 by 10 is rupees 80. So SP of bottle, one bottle of honey is given as 100 rupees. Here SP is greater than CP. Profit per bottle, if we sold one bottle, you will get profit as 100 minus 80, that is 20 rupees. Profit for 10 bottles, 20 into 10, that is 200 rupees. So here profit is rupees 200. A man bought 400 meter of cloth for rupees 60,000 and sold it at rate of rupees 400 per meter. Find his profit or loss. Cost of 400 meter of cloth is rupees 60,000, that is cost price 60,000. Selling price of 400 meter of cloth, 400 into 400, that is 1 meter 400. 400s are 1,60,000, that is selling price is greater than cost price. Here you will get profit. How much profit? 1 lakh. 1,60,000 minus 60,000 is 1 lakh. Challenging problems. A fruit seller bought 2 dozen bananas at rupees 20 a dozen and sold them at rupees 3 per banana. Find his gain or loss. Cost of 1 dozen banana is rupees 20. Cost of 2 dozen bananas 40 rupees. That is cost price 40. Selling price per banana. Per banana 3 rupees. 2 dozen means 24. 24 3s are 72 rupees. Selling price here is 72. Here selling price is greater than cost price. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. That is 72 minus 40 is equal to 32 rupees. Here is profit. A store purchased pens at rupees 216 per dozen. He paid rupees 58 for convenience and sold them pens at the discount of rupees 2 per pen and made an overall profit of rupees 50. Find the MP of each pen. Now cost of 1 dozen pen is rupees 216 plus 58. 216 plus 58. This conveyance amount also you have to add in the cost price. So what is the cost price now? Is 274. Discount for each pen is rupees 2. Discount for each pen is rupees 2 and overall profit is rupees 50. So total discount for 12 pen is 24 rupees. Now selling price is MP minus discount. MP minus discount, that is 24. Profit is equal to SP minus EP. Here profit 50 rupees, MP minus EP is 24 minus 274. Here our SP is MP minus 24 minus 274 is the cost price. Now to find out the marked price, keep the marked price in one side, on all the other numbers in the other side. You will get 50 plus 24 plus 274, that is rupees 348. 1 dozen 348. Then for 1 pen is divide by 12, you will get 29 rupees. Each pen, the market price of each pen, a pen is rupees 29. A vegetable vendor buys 10 kg of tomatoes per day at rupees 10 per kg for the first 3 days of a week. 1 kg of tomatoes got smashed on every day for those 3 days. For the remaining 4 days of the week, he buys 15 kg of tomatoes daily at rupees 8 per kg. If for entire week he sells tomatoes at rupees 20 per kg, then find his profit or loss for the week. Now look at the question carefully and then can find it. A vegetable vendor buys 10 kg. Totally he buys 10 kg of tomatoes per day. Per day 10 rupees per kg. Okay, for the first 3 days of a week. For the first 3 days he buys only 10 kg of tomatoes for rupees 10. So total tomatoes bought for 3 days is 3 into 10 is 30 kg. Cost of 1 kg is here rupees 10 and cost of 30 kg is 300 rupees. So total tomatoes bought for the other 4 days, for the next 4 days he buys for rupees 8. So 4 into 15, that is 60 kg. Cost of 1 kg is here 8. Cost of 60 kg is rupees 480. Now you add all the 90 kg of tomatoes, 300 plus 480. First 3 days 300, next 4 days 480. So the total cost of the 90 kg of tomatoes is 780. So our cost price is 780. Tomato smashed is only 3 kg. Total kg of tomatoes for sale, 90 minus 3. We have to subtract this 3 kg. So 90 minus 3 is 87 kg we are going to sell. Now SP of 1 kg is equal to rupees 20. Now SP of 87 kgs, already here given is selling price of 1 kg of tomatoes is rupees 20. So 87 kg of tomatoes 1740. Here SP is greater than CP. So profit how much? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Apply this formula, find 960. So here profit is 960. Asked some, an electrician buys a used TV for 12,000 and used fridge for 11,000. After spending 1,000 rupees on repairing the TV and 1,500 on painting the fridge, he buys up the marked MP of TV as marked price of TV as rupees 15,000 and that of fridges 15,500. If he gives 1,000 discount on each, find his profit or loss. An electrician buys a used TV, that is second hand TV as 12,000 and used fridge is 11,000. So he spends some amount, that is 1,000 rupees on repairing the TV and 1,500 for painting the fridge. So total cost price of the TV and fridges, add these two, you will get 12,000 plus 11,000 plus 1,000 for repairing amount for the painting for the fridge. The total cost of the cost price is 25,500. Selling price of TV is MP minus discount. What is the discount amount here? 1,000 rupees. So 15,000 minus 1,000 is 14,000. Selling price of the fridge is equal to MP minus discount. For the fridge he has given 1,000 rupees as discount. So 15,500 minus 1,000 is 14,500. Now total selling price of TV and the fridge is 14,000 plus 14,500 is 28,500. So selling price is greater than cost price. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 28,500 minus 25,500. So 3,000 is the profit here. Thank you.